Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells in different sheets in Excel. To begin, navigate to the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Type an equals sign, then click on the tab of the sheet containing the source cell. Select the specific cell you wish to link and press Enter. Excel automatically generates the correct reference, like Sheet 2. A 1, establishing a dynamic connection between your sheets. This simple step is the foundation for powerful data integration. Once you've mastered basic linking, you can integrate these references into more complex formulas. For instance, to sum values from different sheets, you might write a formula like equals sum, sheet 1, a1, sheet 2, b2. This allows you to perform calculations using data scattered across your workbook. The beauty is that if the source data changes, your formula automatically updates, ensuring your results are always current and accurate without manual adjustments. It's incredibly efficient. Beyond single cells, you can link entire ranges or even name tables. To link a range, you might use a formula like equals sum, sheet 3, a1, a10. For more advanced scenarios, consider defining named ranges, which makes formulas much easier to read and manage. For example, equals VLOOKUP. A1, product data. Product table 2, false. This approach is particularly useful when dealing with large datasets, improving both clarity and maintainability across your Excel workbook. To ensure your linked workbooks remain robust, always use descriptive sheet names, like sales data instead of sheet 1. Regularly check for broken links, especially after moving or deleting sheets, to prevent errors. When copying formulas, consider using absolute references, such as $1, to maintain the correct cell relationships. Organizing your data logically across sheets will significantly enhance the reliability and ease of management for all your linked Excel projects, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.